Hello, this is Group 8. Though we have 5 people in our group, the actual participants are only 3. We are these 3 people. And the first one is the one who wrote the code. The second one who made report. And I am responsible for the video. Then I'm going to describe the code we wrote about advanced regression techniques. In fact, we wrote 2 modules for predicting the data. First one is random forest regressor, and the second one here is SGD regressor. But the random forest regressor works better than the SGD one. So our report and video only kept the best part, of which is random forest method. In the beginning of the code, we imported 5 important modules. First 2 of them are pandas and numpy, which are the greatest module for data modifying. The third one is random forest regressor, our main regressor for this project. The next 2 are data split and mean squared error. We use these 2 modules for evaluating how well does the regressor works. The last one is simple imputer. This one is for making the mean value into the NAN cells, and we will describe it later. In the second cell, we can see we used pd.read_csv to import the trend CSV and test CSV into our project. And the variable name is trend data and test data. Then we select data columns we want to keep. And for all of these data, they are mainly continuous text. And we drop all of the discrete text in this project. So the X trend is trend data with all of these tags as the same for the X test. And Y trend data is our sale price because we are going to predict the sale price. After this sale, we started to processing and feeding and predicting our data. We use simple imputer to deal with the NANs. We use simple imputer to fill the NANs with the mean value of each column here. So we generate a simple imputer instance, and the strategy is mean, which is also the default strategy. And imputer.fit, we put X trend data inside of it. And the next one is we use the fitted data to transform our X test data frame. After modifying the NNs and then we used random forest regressor. We created an instance and it's called RF regressor. And we fit our X trend and Y trend data inside this regressor. And then the result is RF regressor.predict and put our X test inside of it. Here, at this point, Y predict is going to be our final answer. So we use pd.dataframe to create a new data frame, and which has 2 index, 2 ID. And the first one is ID. The second one is sale price, column name, right? And after we created this data frame, we use result df dot to CSV to save our result.csv into our project here. So this is how we deal with. This is how we do on in our random forest regressor. Thank you for your listening.